Welcome to the CB Interior Design. Today I am going to show you a quick update of my next project that's coming up this year. So, my next project right now is right above me. I'm going to be changing up the light fixture of my kitchen, which is made back in the 1980s and it's kind of pretty old and I don't like it. So I'm going to show you a quick look. This is the old style light fixture made back in the 80s and I'm going to change that into a nice modern design. It's gonna have a nice texture, it's gonna have a nice 3D effect and everything. It's gonna have nice lights and upgraded molding and tiles, backsplash, whatever you call them. I'm gonna be putting up those up into the ceiling. So what I'm gonna show you here is this is the design that I kind of pictured in my head. Like, okay, I'm gonna make this thing happen. And so I did some measurements of the style of how it's gonna look like. And when I narrow it down into a nice electrical schematic, it turned out to look like this. So this is what it looks like for the new light fixture that I'm going to be upgrading onto this kitchen, which is going to be really great. And I'm really excited when this is going to start, and I'm probably going to show you guys more updates about this, and I'm not going to let you miss out on that one. So if you guys want to see the whole process of this project being built up from the very start, please feel free to subscribe and like this video, and also please share this video on with your friends, so that way I could be building up more projects for you guys. So please do that for me, and thank you guys for your support, and I really appreciate that you guys are following me, subscribing to my channel, and I'll promise you I will give you more updates and more projects coming up, and that way you guys don't get bored. Okay, so guys, keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, so quick update. So I'm gonna be painting this into this color. It's called the Espresso Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. And let's see how this goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, that was fast. So this is the framing that I will be putting up together once this paint gets dried up. So right after that, I'm gonna put it up on the ceiling. Hey guys, quick update. I just recently installed a LED strip on my new project in the kitchen. So this is the LED strip. I'm scared. So it's on. And voila.